This is a Morse code generator I have developed using the MSP430. In this, I have interfaced a PS2 keyboard with the MSP430 through a PS2 connector. It consists of two power sources at 5 and 3 volts to drive the keyboard and the MSP430. The Morse's output using a piezo buzzer. I have also provided an LCD to display the characters that I have entered using the PS2 keyboard. A thumb port has also been added in order to control the speed at which the Morse is generated. So let us start by trying to generate some Morse. As we see, it is too fast. I'm going to change the speed using the thumb port.